In this video session of a two-part walkthrough series, we will delve into the process of configuring routing based on application types for destination networks. To get started, go to the top navigation bar on the MyAryaka portal and select Config. Next, on the left navigation panel, click on Smart Services, and under the Apps heading, click Application Groups. On the displayed page, you will find all the existing application groups. For our demonstration purposes, we have already created an example application group based on supported application types, named as Aryaka Application DPI Redirect. Let's explore the details of this application group further. Click on Aryaka Application DPI Redirect. On the currently displayed page, the current application group details are divided into several segments. 1. Details. This section includes the name and description of the application group. 2. Policies. Here, you can define custom user-defined policies for traffic steering based on application requirements. 3. Applications. Here, we can add the respective applications to this application group. For routing configurations, let's proceed by creating a new policy under the Policies section. To do this, navigate to the right side of the current page and click Add. On the new page, under Policy Information, you will find Policy Details, where you can specify name. Enter a suitable name for the policy. Description. Provide a suitable description. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page under Sites. Note, you can either add existing sites for which the existing application configurations will take effect or add site groups based on your configuration requirements. Now, click on Routing in the middle of the section. Note that the routing component allows you to customize routing behavior for your application group. On the routing page, you will see two sections. 1. VPN Zone Customization. 2. DMZ Zone Customization. For any VPN zone-specific traffic, create a new VPN zone configuration. Click Add New on the right side of the section. A new pop-up opens and provides the necessary details as follows. 1. Name. Enter a suitable name. 2. Description. Add a suitable description. 3. Source VPN Zone. Click on Add New under this section to select source zones for traffic. Note, you can choose specific zones or a Select All knob for all traffic from the LAN. Once done, click Add Selected to confirm your selection. Next, in the routing section, toggle the Permit Access option to enable the configuration. Here, you will understand and configure traffic steering capabilities with multiple combinations. Under the Route to heading, pull the drop-down menu. And here you can choose from options which has specific implications for destination networks and traffic treatments. For direct internet, aka destination networks as internet-bound traffic. Options include steering the traffic based upon the healthier among multiple links connected at a site. We have default and custom options that can be tailored as per requirements. For a cloud transport networks, aka for cloud provider as a service traffic like Azure, Virtual WAN. For a cloud security connector, aka third-party cloud security for secure internet solutions, Secure Web Gateway. In case of destination is not reachable or not able to route, we have options to blackhole and or send it via the internet. For a connected site, aka sites connected directly and secured via VPN. There is a global setting applied for all sites or toggle the option for Customize where app group is routed, which is specific for destination sites and zones. Here, we have options to prioritize and route traffic based upon network-specific criteria, like longest prefix match and cost, or consider IPSLA. Furthermore, you have the option to customize the sequencing of traffic paths, tailoring routing decisions for your network's unique requirements. Namely VPN Path Aryaka or VPN Path Internet aka Site-to-Site VPN. Once you've configured your settings, click OK to save this routing customization, and the custom route will appear in the VPN zone customizations table on the Routing tab page of the Add Application Group Policy page. Finally, click Submit to apply the route customization. In the next video, we will cover detailed VPN path Aryaka customization and explore various options for routing over Aryaka's core network. Thank you for watching.